Hello all, we are a group of final year IT students of College of Science and Technology, and in this video we will be taking you through the overview of our project, the attendance management system. Before starting this project, we have identified problems in the current attendance management system, and those problems are the current system of marking and recording attendance, which is paper based, needs the tutor to put extensive manual efforts in order to analyze each student's attendance. There are also chances of the tutor making mistakes in processing the student's attendance record manually. There are also chances of students doing proxy attendance. RUB colleges also has RUB IMS and VLE, which is used for managing the attendance of the students, but it does not provide real-time attendance information as there is no effective means to enter data. These problems motivated us to develop a mobile application and web application based attendance management system which is capable of taking and managing the attendance of students. To develop such a system, we needed to identify and evaluate similar types of application used internationally for attendance management, design an appropriate UI for both web and mobile applications, develop an Android mobile application that is capable of taking attendance using face recognition and QR code scanning, develop a web application to keep attendance records and generate QR codes, to design an appropriate database for mobile and web application. To complete this project, we have used agile software testing methodology, where first we identified the problem and then selection of topic, literature review, requirement gathering, system design and implementation. Under system design and implementation, we designed database, web app and mobile application, and then coding, unit testing, integration testing, deployment testing, and finally we end up creating the attendance management system. The technical requirements. For web framework frontend, we have used React.js. For backend, we have used Node.js, and for database, we have used MongoDB. For mobile application framework, we have used Android Studio. Use case diagrams. The attendance management system has three types of users: admin, tutor, and students. The admin can view attendance record, generate records and summary of attendance, remove student, modify attendance record, and remove privileged users. The tutor can take attendance, generate QR code, view attendance record, generate records and summary of attendance, remove student, and modify attendance record. Students can log into the web application, change password, use mobile application, mark attendance, scan Face ID and verify, scan QR code, update status, view attendance record, generate records and summary of attendance. This is the system overview of attendance management system. There is a mobile application which is connected to face recognition API and REST API. There is a web application which is connected to REST API, and the REST API is connected to the MongoDB database. The web application is capable of connecting with REST API, QR code generation, view records, report and summary generation, and user registration. The mobile application is connected to face recognition API and it is also connected to REST API. The mobile application is also capable of scanning QR code, face recognition, and marking attendance. Now let's move on to the demo part of the web application. To begin with, this is the sign-in page of the application, attendance management system. The application can have three different types of users, that is admin, tutor, and students. Firstly, I am going to log in as admin using the admin credentials such as username and password. Right after logging into the application, the admin dashboard will be displayed as shown. As can be seen on the dashboard, the admin will have the authority to set and reset tokens for students and tutors. The respective tokens are used by tutor and students when they register to this system. The use of a token is to avoid suspicious or unnecessary user registration, and consequently the application will be kept secure. Likewise, admin can also view all the tokens. The application also provides the admin privilege to recover the password of any user. If a user forgets their password, they can contact the admin directly to have it reset. A password of at least 8 characters is required in order to ensure the security of the account. Some other privileges of admin are: admin can view all the classes, all the tutors and all the students registered in this system and also delete them. Application also has the feature for all the users to view their profile, edit their details and change their password. With this, let's sign out of this account. Now, let's log into the system as a tutor. For your information, the login page for all the three types of users is the same. The tutors just have to provide their own credentials and while logging in, which will direct them to the respective account, be it admin, tutor or student. I am providing the credentials of the tutor and consequently, we are directed to the tutor's dashboard. Tutors can add classes they teach from here by providing module code and module name. The new class is added as shown. The delete button here can be used to delete the class. If you hover over a particular class, the cursor will transform into cursor pointer. On clicking it will direct you to a particular class. For example, here we are moving into the engineering graphics class. This is the details of the particular class, have the features such as attendance management actions, and the table down here is the details of the students enrolled in this particular module. For here, the tutors can also manually take attendance. At first, the attendance status will be present for all. The tutor can then mark the absentees from here. This feature is designed so that during the system failure of the mobile application or when there is power shutdown, the tutor can manually take the attendance from here. The students can be added to the class from this page as well. In order to add the student, it can be done using an email ID or by using a group ID and accordingly search for the student and add them. Now, clicking on the View All option, it will direct you to the details of all the students, showing the total classes taken, classes attended, attendance percentage, and the current attendance status. Clicking on the particular student, the attendance details of the particular student will be displayed, but in more detail. The attendance summary is displayed in the form of a pie chart as shown. If you hover over the charts, the exact number of attendance details will be displayed. The following are the attendance details, which will have the date and time of the attendance along with the attendance status. Moreover, the attendance can be modified from here as well. If you click on the Change Attendance button, it will change the status respectively. Now, let's go back to the class details page. Using the Edit Class option, the class details can also be modified, and the list of students can also be viewed from here and can also be deleted. The profile of tutor can also be viewed from here and it can also be edited. Now let's sign out. Let us now log in as a student user. The student's dashboard will be displayed as shown. On clicking the particular class, the students can view their attendance summary along with the details. However, they don't have the privilege to modify the attendance details or view other students' details, but they can view and edit their own profile. And now, let's sign out. Now, let me show you how the registration process is done. You need to have the particular token provided by the admin which can verify you as a tutor or student user, and then you need to enter your name, group ID, gender, user type which will be a tutor or student, and then you need to create a password which should not be less than 8 characters. With this, you can click on submit and you will have your account ready. Now, this is the core part of our project, attendance management using face recognition and QR code scanning. For this, the tutor must click on the Generate QR code option and a QR code will be generated. From here, tutor can disable, enable or refresh QR code in 30 seconds. Refreshing the QR code will invalidate the QR code after 30 seconds and generate a new one. This feature prevents the students from sharing the QR code with classmates outside of the class. After generating QR code, students have to log into the attendance tracker app and scan their face. This feature will verify and prevent students from doing proxy attendance. Following facial recognition, the QR code scanner will pop up, using which students have to scan the QR code. As illustrated in this video, the QR code scanner is very responsive. This is the QR code scanner's original speed. The QR code can be scanned with just one glance. The QR code is scanned and the attendance is recorded successfully. To verify this, let's view the attendance record in the web application. As you can see, the time and the attendance status is exactly the same in mobile application and web application. We can verify that the attendance tracker is working.